this market. So what are the 5 strategies that you should use when you're getting ready to place an offer on a home to ensure that you give yourself the best opportunity and the best chance to having your offer accepted? Well, here they are. Number 5 is get pre-approved. Know how much you can afford. Know what the monthly payments are and know how much money you need. Talk to your real estate agent, talk to your family, talk to your friends. Find somebody who's reputable, who you trust, who properly explains everything. That is an absolute, okay? So that's number 5. The number 4 strategy to use is to start saving money. Set money aside, whether it's $50 a paycheck, $100, whether it's your 401k is ready to go, you've got to start saving money. Number 3, check the market time on a listing. Understand, homes that just got listed, high probability that they've got multiple offers, cash, conventional with big money down, not asking for closing costs, or a house that's been sitting for a couple of weeks. More than likely, they're going to be a lot more workable with you. They might cover closing costs. They might give you extended periods of time to close, certain things like that. So pay attention before you go place an offer on a house. What's the market time on that house? The number 2 strategy is understanding this. A bad offer gets a bad response. You have to make sure that you make a strong offer. I've seen people say, well, Khash, I'm going to go $30,000 under the list price. 9 times out of 10, if you make just some sort of absurd offer of just come in so low it's not even reasonable, a bad offer gets a bad response. Make sure that you are making a serious offer on the home based on sales in the area and what the market is doing. So understand, a bad offer gets a bad response. And now I need a drum roll. I almost knocked over the light next to me, okay? What's the number 1 way to ensure that you have the best opportunity to get your offer accepted? Here it is. Use a real estate agent. If you want to give yourself the best chance at getting an offer accepted and buying the home of your dreams, use a real estate agent, okay? Does a real estate agent charge a fee? Of course they do, okay? However, I do have videos, multiple videos on how those costs and fees could be covered. But the number 1 strategy, the biggest, the best, is to get in touch with an agent, talk to your family and your friends, use a local real estate agent. They know the local market. Talk to them, have them learn about you. You're going to learn about them. But number 1 strategy to get your offer or to give you the best chance at getting an offer accepted is to use a real estate agent. Do you absolutely need an agent? No, you don't. You can also do surgery on yourself if you pull up WebMD and go at it. Okay, I would not recommend it though. Use a real estate agent. Those are the 5 strategies, with number 1 being the biggest, the most important. Make sure you're following along on my videos and make sure you're using these strategies to get yourself into a home, and pay attention to everything we're doing.